You're gonna notice all these little things afterwards.
Don't embarrass me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Realistically, all these wires shouldn't be here because when you actually see the video.
How else are you supposed to put?
I do actually see
You got
bottles.
milk here for no reason. There's a stain on the fridge, right there.
There you go.
I don't want to redo it again. Let me just do it. I'm better at this. Hi, guys. Wait, can you get out of the room? Today, we are going to be making cinnamon rolls, okay? These are going to be the best things you've ever tasted in your life. And if you want to see me bake and become the next MasterChef Junior, just keep on watching, okay?
We have already started making the dough because I don't want this to be a really extremely long video. So,
You
oh.
In hospitality, I'm not gonna lie, I took the salt container and I went like this over to like sprinkle like salt over the pretzels, and they went, it went everywhere. The salt went everywhere.
They tasted disgusting.
They were terrible. I was like,
Whoa!
so what if I'm a monster? What if I'm the monster?
It's not gonna be right.
Are you serious? She told me to take this and go.
Yes. You just all the pro bakers out there are gonna tell you that I'm right.
You don't.
No! I found out how to level it. Okay,
Use
let me
the other
show
side,
you.
don't
Let me
you?
show you.
I didn't want to use the other side because I didn't want like ruin your
what?
stuff. Okay, no, you gotta shake it first. Stop. No. Upset because she actually did it right.
Okay, go. Put it in. Put it in. Because I
She's
actually
the
don't
Dirty
want-
Nummies logo. Oh my god. She is the Nummies logo. Ha, you gotta do step by step. This is a good spatula. It is metal. You could whack somebody with that.
So I just want to quickly explain a bit of what's happening in these next clips, because if I go straight into it, it's really confusing. So basically, somebody was coming over to our house, and I didn't know about this till like half an hour before we started filming. When the doorbell rang, you'll see what we did.
I'm in the middle of making the brownies. Oh, they said the brownies. Also, is this ASMR?
No, we're in the middle of making cinnamon rolls, and me over here. I don't want people to see me stand in my kitchen with my friend with a camera.
Well,
baking.
you're embarrassed of me.
No, because I just look stupid.
You look crazy, right?
So we literally, you rang the doorbell.
I have this mug with a W.
I don't know why Olivia was so interested in the mug.
So I just picked up my whole tripod with my camera, and
It was so funny.
but I had no time, so I resorted to the laundry room.
You took the thing. No. You were like this. Dad, don't open the door. I swear, don't open the door.
So basically, we're hiding out right now. I don't know if we're gonna survive. We don't have any food right now.
We have laundry detergent.
Ooh, pop. We shouldn't encourage eating.
Do not eat Tide Pods. This is a serious issue. Don't do it.
You see in the background.
Beautiful. Hide spies. Hideouts. Hideout. No, a hideout is where you stay. Yeah, we're hiding out. Yeah, we suck at it. No, stakeouts. Stakeouts. Yeah.
Why did it take us forever to figure out what the word was?
Okay, so Nimmie went out. She got really like my professionalism and actually got the camera to turn on. But she's out there and she's talking to the person because she felt really bad. I think she's just coming back.
We're in the basement now.
So-
And right now we're eating a
Tim Hortons muffin.
I have no clue why I was showing a muffin like that. It's kind of weird.
You've like fed me to the point where like I need to like pay you, but I don't have any money, so I'm broke.
We made the dough and now it just has to rest. So we're gonna do that, and then when it's
done resting, we'll continue making them. But for right now, this is the video. So it's like 2 hours later now, and our dough did not rise at all. It is so non-airy, and it looks so bad.
So this is the end of the video. This video was all over the place, kind of weird, but I thought it was funny, so I decided to upload it anyway. No, not all my videos are this weird, but if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.